Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that is not too loud, and I hope you can all see me. My name is Lunathi Ncamane, and we are the Hout Bay Ingoma Choir. Yes, thank you so much for joining us in our concert, in our summer concert this evening. Our concert is titled Ekasi, and for those who may not know what or where that name comes from, Ekasi is a name we call townships. We call it Ekasi. And this name originates from Afrikaans, lokasi, and which means location. And so we are here to represent the life, the music that is sung, that you hear around Ekasi, the music that we grew up listening to, the music that we have sang and we will sing for you this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, the first song we sang was Mangwane. Mangwane is a Tswana wedding song. And the opening of the song just begs the mother-in-law to open for you because it's raining outside. So the song is based on that, but eventually it becomes a happy song that celebrates this beautiful union or love, as it is the month of love this month. The next song we're going to do is a very famous song that was made popular by an artist that has traveled the world spreading the gospel of unity, especially in South Africa, and also alerting the world of what was happening in South Africa back in those days, in the 1950s. And this is Pata Pata.
Wow!
Still in that spirit of Mama Africa, Mama Mary Makeba, the next song we're going to do is a song which the world recognizes as the Click song, but the actual name of the song is Igqirha Lendlela nguQongqothwane.
Yes, sir. Wow.
This is a traditional Xhosa African choral song, which we're going to do for you. Ladies and gentlemen, Igqirha Lendlela nguQongqothwane.
Yeah.
That was Igqirha Lendlela nguQongqothwane. I promise you I'm just flexing and showing off. The next song we're going to do is a beautiful, because as we said that we live in Ekasi. And Ekasi, there's great multiculturalism, there's great multi-ethnicity. We've got people from all over the world. You go to Hout Bay, you have people from Malawi, you have people from Zimbabwe, you have people from Zambia. And the next song represents how we need to embrace each other regardless of where you come from in Ekasi, the spirit of Ubuntu. The next song is in Swahili. It is titled Kulikojana, which means, which speaks about the love that we share amongst each other. Kulikojana.
Ninapokuomba Mungu uwasamehe, wangalijua jinsi unavyonipenda mimi, wasingalisema. Na maadui wangu ninawaombea maisha marefu, wazidi kukuona ukinibariki. Uchi wa binadamu ni watu wachafu sana, walimkana Yesu mara 3 kabla jogoo kuwika. Uchi wa binadamu ni watu wachafu sana, walimsulubisha Yesu Masia bila kusita. Oh, Bwana ni Mwokozi wangu, tena ni Mwokozi wangu. Ananipenda leo kuliko jana, baraka zake hazikuishi, si kama binadamu abadilike. Ananipenda leo kuliko jana, kuliko jana, kuliko jana. Yesu nipende leo kuliko jana, kuliko jana, kuliko jana. Yesu nipende leo kuliko jana. Wewe ndo nategemea, ufahamu Bwana Baba nakutegemea. Chochote kitanikasia, kumwingia mbinguni utaniondolea. Wewe ndo nategemea, ufahamu Bwana Baba nakutegemea. Chochote kitanikasia, kumwingia mbinguni utaniondolea. Wewe ndo nategemea, ufahamu Bwana Baba nakutegemea. Chochote kitanikasia, kumwingia mbinguni utaniondolea. Wewe ndo nategemea, ufahamu Bwana Baba nakutegemea. Chochote kitanikasia, kumwingia mbinguni utaniondolea. Bwana ni Mwokozi wangu, tena ni Mwokozi wangu. Ananipenda leo kuliko jana, baraka zake hazikuishi, si kama binadamu abadilike. Ananipenda leo kuliko jana, kuliko jana, kuliko jana. Yesu, Yesu nipende leo kuliko jana, kuliko jana, kuliko jana. Yesu, Yesu nipende leo kuliko jana. Wewe ndo nategemea, ufahamu Bwana Baba nakutegemea. Chochote kitanikasia, kumwingia mbinguni utaniondolea. Wewe ndo nategemea, ufahamu Bwana Baba nakutegemea. Chochote kitanikasia, kumwingia mbinguni utaniondolea. Wewe ndo nategemea, ufahamu Bwana Baba nakutegemea. Chochote kitanikasia, kumwingia mbinguni utaniondolea. Wewe ndo nategemea, ufahamu Bwana Baba nakutegemea. Chochote kitanikasia, kumwingia mbinguni utaniondolea.
The love is making me sweat. It really is making me hot. The next song we're going to do is a song that was banned in South Africa actually for quite a long time. The song was banned. It was written by one of the key composers in African choral music by the name of Enoch Sontonga in the 1800s. The song later on became the national anthem in Ekas. Later on, the song was recognized after the release of Dada Nelson Mandela in the 1990s as part of the South African national anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, the next song we're going to do for you, arranged, of course, from the hymn, the original hymn from Enoch Sontonga, is Nkosi Sikelele Africa. God bless Africa. By the way, that is my Valentine's. That was Nkosi Sikelele Africa. In the olden days, before they established the townships, in actual fact, the townships started as a form of urbanization. And so you'll find people moving from the rural areas, remote areas, to go and work in the mines in your Johannesburg, to work in Cape Town in the docks, and so on and so forth. And so they needed a place to stay. Because of the Group Areas Act, they had to stay in Ekas. And for them to travel this long journey from these rural areas, they would have to take the train. And the next song is about that train, Istimela.
Uyababona laba bantu begijima, begijima, begijima. Uyababona laba bantu begijima, begijima, begijima. Istimela, 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 istimela. Naso siza, puthumumasali. Naso siza. Gijima istimela, naso siza, puthumumasali, naso siza, gijima istimela. Uyababona laba bantu begijima, begijima, begijima. Uyababona laba bantu begijima, begijima, begijima. Istimela, istimela, istimela. Istimela, istimela, naso siza, puthumumasali, naso siza, gijima istimela, naso siza, puthumumasali, naso siza, gijima istimela. Shuku, 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 shuku yanishia. Shuku, istimela, shuku yanishia. Shuku, 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 shuku yanishia. Shuku, shuku, istimela, shuku yanishia. When you kumbombela, when you get kuseni, when you kumbombela, mamu yanishia. When you kumbombela, when you get kuseni, when you kumbombela, mamu yanishia. Shosholoza, shosholoza, shosholoza ngombela. Shosholoza, shosholoza, shosholoza ngombela. Shosholoza, shosholoza, shosholoza ngombela. Shosholoza, shosholoza, shosholoza ngombela. When you kumbombela, when you get kuseni, when you kumbombela, mamu yanishia. When you kumbombela, when you get kuseni, when you kumbombela, mamu yanishia.
Ikasi is a place where you will find people who are very religious. We believe in spirituality, but also we celebrate the spirituality. The next song we're going to do speaks exactly to that, and it is Vuso Wakho Umsebenzi, which means that allow your work to be done in our lives, allow us to succeed, allow us to be better people with your spirit. Vuso Wakho Umsebenzi. again, ladies and gentlemen. That was Dilidi, which is a Tswana song, Sotho song, yes, which speaks about how competitive we can be actually when we sing as choirs in the townships. Because this song says that we've seen people sing, but no one sings better than us. And we are here to sing so beautifully for you so that you can be entertained by our beautiful music. The next song we're going to do actually speaks to my childhood, funny enough, because this is a beautiful collaboration by one of our own South African composer, South African musician, with an American musician by the name of Hans Zimmer. This is Level M. And it's one of the songs in the title tracks of The Lion King. So we've done a medley and an arrangement of The Lion King. I hope you enjoy.
And
As we are celebrating the month of love, the next song, I think we're all familiar with this one. As a matter of fact, I think I should not tell you the name of the song or the composer, but do enjoy.
When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. Stand by me. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. Stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me.
In the sky that will uphold, should tremble and fall, and the mountains should crumble to the sea.
Stand by me. I won't cry. I won't cry. No, I won't shed a tear. Just as long as you stand by me. Stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me. Whenever you're in trouble, won't you stand by me? Stand by me. Stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Yeah, yeah. Stand Stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Yeah, yeah. Stand Stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me.
Don't you just feel loved after that? Thank you very much. Love you too. The next song we're going to do is based on an idiom that is very popular within the Nguni language, which is ivili liyajikeleza. However, this one is in Zulu, which means isondo liyajika. This simply means that what happens to you may happen to me tomorrow. So we have to be considerate of each other or whatever we are going through, and really try to help each other. When one is down, you lift them up, because you never know what might happen to you the following day. Isondo liyajikeleza.
isondo lenqola liyajika namhlanje sasa yibi isondo lenqola liyajika namhlanje sasa yibi isondo lenqola liyajika ngoba konke kuyedlula isondo lenqola liyajika ngoba konke kuyedlula isondo lenqola liyajika lona liyajika lona kuyedlula liyathi isondo lenqola liyajika lona liyajika lona kuyedlula liyathi isondo lenqola liyajika namhlanje sasa yibi isondo lenqola liyajika namhlanje sasa yibi isondo lenqola liyajika ngoba konke kuyedlula isondo lenqola liyajika ngoba konke kuyedlula isondo lenqola liyajika lona liyajika lona liyathi 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 isondo lenqola liyajika namhlanje sasa yibi isondo lenqola liyajika.
And now we're going to sing a song that I'm sure we are all familiar with. This is a song that we usually sing when we meditate as the choir. And it's a very, very, very well-known hymn titled, How Great Thou Art.
O Lord my God, when I in awesome wonder consider all thy works, thy hands have made, I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder,
The year was 2019, and we had a terrible pandemic in South Africa. Well, in the world, actually, sorry. But a terrible pandemic in the world. We were all locked in. We couldn't do anything. We couldn't operate and function as normal. And we actually titled this time, or any activity, the new normal. This was COVID-19. But during that time, because the world loves music, we had a song that united everyone in their secret places, in their houses. And this song, we even created a choreography and danced to the song. And the song is Jerusalem. And our next song is Jerusalem, ladies and gentlemen. For this one, please dance if you must. Stand, sing along, shake your body. Because we're not now just doing it because we are locked in and we need something to do, but now we are celebrating life and the fact that we are here today. Jerusalem.
Yeah.
The next song we're going to do is this was my grandmother's favorite song actually. And the song is, she loved Easter so much. That period, the Easter season, she loved so much going to church, the message of one sacrificing his life for humanity or for human beings. And this song is about exactly that. The moment Jesus Christ is on the cross and is crucified, and he cries, Eloi, Eloi, lama sabachthani. Eloi, Eloi, lama sabachthani. I'm not sure because the English, I'm so sorry. But Eloi. And now for our last song for the evening. And after this song, I will give over to Alan to say a few words. Our last song is Bathanda besicela indlela. I don't know if I need to explain the translation to the song, but for the benefit of those who may not know the song or not know the translation to the song. Bathanda besicela indlela simply means, beloved, please allow us to go home. So bathanda besicela indlela.
Bathanda besicela indlela. Ukuze emakhaya. Bathanda besicela indlela. Ukuze emakhaya. Bathanda
how great thou art. My name is Alan. I'm the very fortunate father-in-law of Tanya Blatcher, who founded this choir amazingly 9 years ago. I've seen the choir many times, and each time it feels that they're just getting better and better, and you think, how can they possibly get better? But the reality is, a lot of that is down to Lenati here, who is an absolute superstar. Not only has he helped the choir grow and bring out the best in themselves, but he himself has changed so much. It's an absolute honour and privilege to listen to you and the choir, as we all have tonight. There are a few thank yous that Tanya's asked me to say to some helpers, Nyasha, Yolanda, Misha and Paul. And then where's Nikki? Is Nikki, I can't see with the lights where Nikki is. Nikki, could you come forward? Nikki has played a major part in making this evening happen. Thank you so much, Nikki. I don't want to take much more of your time, but I also want to add a personal thank you. I had a special birthday on Christmas Day, and one of the things I received was an amazing video from this choir singing Happy Birthday in English and Isikoza. And you can imagine how fabulous it was to get that. So thank you all of you, especially those who took part in that video. Tanya had 2 objectives when she started this choir. One was to help people of IY and Mizamiya to enjoy a better quality of life and to help them in some practical way. And the other thing was to share the joy of African music. And both of those objectives have been so achieved tonight. Thanks to you, these people have been helped, they've enjoyed your appreciation, and thanks to them, we've enjoyed the joy of their music. Thank you so much. Thank you.